some elevation.
So we're at the top of the world.
You can see sky everywhere.
Yeah. This is an interesting start to this one today. We are looking out at a valley that we've been trying to find access to for a long time out there. Because we're believing that there are cellar holes out there. And we have no idea what the terrain is going to be like. I mean, if it wasn't for this trail to park here, that's
I do know one thing.
What?
We got to go down to begin the day.
I hate that.
And it's like
down.
Like I could see sky.
Which is so we're gonna pack up our stuff, get these things moving, and head out into the unknown. Stay tuned. Okay, well, we are only minutes into our hike, and it is just down, 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 down. We are in for some up on the way out. Yeah, it looks terrible, but yeah, let's go. All right, we have broken out of the tree line. We're not in the valley, but we're on a level spot for the moment, and it's starting to rain. Not good. How's it looking there?
I can't even see.
Liverpool, why was that?
We got hole.
Oh wow!
Oh, it's a hole. I don't know if it's a
Cellar, right? Oh, there is some rocks. Could be chimney.
little chirps.
All right, let's give it a rip. If we get a few minutes in, well, I'm not even gonna say the R word again. So typical, we all check the weather and get 3 different reports and 3 different results. And at least that wasn't too bad. If we need to get out of here in a pinch, well,
It's gonna be a wet hike up.
wet uphill. All right, let's dig.
All right.
Oh,
Man,
damn!
I shouldn't break it.
Nice knee buckle to
Right.
start with.
Huh, that was hitting twice.
Dude, you didn't wait 29 seconds.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah, you never do.
Well, maybe we can start from when we left the vehicle.
New rule, yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Awesome.
That's a little better. Beauty.
Oh, that sounds a lot better.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Another nail.
Huh.
Oh well.
It might not be it.
Yep.
Or it might be it.
That's it.
Wow.
Yep.
All right, my turn. And mission accomplished, and it's pewter. So there we go. Beautiful pewter button. Oh, beautiful. Cufflinks complete. Very nice.
I'm still making friends with the chimney stack.
Yeah, what else is new? Oh boy. Dig that nail.
Yeah. Another hot nail.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Complete.
Oh, man.
Oh, the gut's rusted out, but look at that sucker.
Yeah, right in the chimney. Good job, Dame.
Nice. It's been a while. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes.
We got us a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't jinx us.
I mean, he didn't jinx us.
Yeah.
The curse didn't take Wanos.
I got a knee buckle.
He's in his own world.
He's in his Wayno zone. Nice.
Huh. It's smooth?
Yeah, yep, it's smooth than the barnacles, so the foot would go right here.
You think it's the bottom of a stirrup?
Yeah, I think it's a piece of one. That's way too robust to be a nail.
Yeah, oh yeah, no doubt. Cool.
All right.
Another button. So another beauty with a convex back. And as usual, late 1700s site. For where we are, we doubt they were out here very long into the 1800s, but only the relics will tell. Put a reverse in the curse?
Yeah, well, this hole I dug a piece of bean pot out of and swung back over, there was nothing. I came back through at a different angle and just barely grabbed this.
Pewter.
Yep, definitely pewter.
Nice Wanos. Good.
Yep, definitely a button.
Got what I thought was a smashed musket ball. But, see some ridges on there? It's a smashed 3-ringer.
Huh.
Yeah. They were shooting at something in the backyard.
Oh, yeah, but there's no way there were people living here that late.
No.
But then again, the land could have been being used by others.
Yeah.
Still, cool find.
Yeah. Good spot.
Oh, yeah.
One of those numbers where I kind of want to know.
Yeah. Well, as Annie Lennox once said, here comes the rain again.
Yep.
How was it falling?
Like a memory?
Yeah.
I only wish that Lou will stop the rain.
Yeah. Wow.
Must have just been catching that just right, but
The nails are...
that squirrely 71 had to look.
Yeah, but the nails are ripe here.
Yeah, there.
Thought it was going to be another hot nail. But it's one of those.
Oh, it's a draw pull fastener.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Hmm. Good.
Yeah. Definitely very good.
Yeah. We're on it today.
Oh, yeah.
Very shallow, as you can see.
Oh, yeah.
So, nice little flat button on that side. Haven't looked at the back to see if we got shank or not. There's quite a crust on there. There's shank in there, but it's garbaged up, so I'm not gonna force it.
Yep.
Otherwise I'll probably break it.
And you never know when you might have cloth or not.
Right, right.
All right, well, we're gonna have to kind of boogie. Dig what we can and wait till
Uphill cannonball run?
Yeah. Well, if it's raining this hard under the tree cover, it's pouring out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some refreshment and hopefully it mellows out a little bit.
Well, everybody, we were lucky to get an hour in. The rain was supposed to come in later on this afternoon, but it's New Hampshire after all. So I say the plan is next time we go out, we start here, finish cleaning, and then head for outward and see what's out there next.
Yeah, right. For sure.
Because this was just awesome, and there's got to be more here.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully we'll see you guys next week. Till then, stay young. Always keep them guessing.
Can't find it if you don't dig it.
Live free or die, folks.
Live free and dry.
And dry, yeah.
Let's go. Like Wayno said, let's go cannonball run up the hill.